Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I have something maybe you haven't seen before. This here is a simplified Chinese booster box. Very similar to the standard ones you see in Japan, but a Chinese version. What set this is, I have no idea in the world. My brother went over there a little while ago and was able to pick this and a few other things up for me. So let's crack on into this and see what we have. I do like this, how it's got this on the side, must tell you like pull rates and stuff like that. Commons to ultra rares, which is like 3, and K, which I'm not exactly sure what that classification is, but this is me with no research, just come to pull some Pokemon cards. Oh well. Yep, thin packs. Let's crack on in, shall we? Wow, they're super thin packs. Okay, so these here will only have like 3 or 4 cards in them. Well, there you go. I did not know that at all. Let us... Ooh. So I don't know of any card tricks, so we're just going to flip it over and give it a go. So... Hello, 1, 2, no reverse, cool, 3. Ooh, and a shiny Greninja, a Radiant Greninja. 4, 5, cool. Okay, well no, 6. There we go, Milotic. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the Greninja is the pull of that pack. And I don't know if that's considered like an Uber. I would say that that's probably like pulling an EX in the English set. Wow, it doesn't have texture really. Like, yeah, there's like no texture. Or if there is, it's like very fine. Wow, interesting. There you go. These are very thin. I'll have to count how many packs are in here, but we might open up 2 this video, and then we'll have a look. So they do have the English backings. We'll go 1 to the front next time. Let's give it a go. A reverse, which is different, cool, and a holographic. And a normal, and 2. Okay, so that has a chance of being the pull. Okay, I'll remember that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Plenty more packs to go, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.